Hey everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today I'm going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plan and who can be benefited from this whole session. There are basically two or let's say three types of the people who can be benefited. First, if you are someone who is building to build a dream project or your dream house, then you can just get ideas from all these three plans. Then yeah, I'm going to discuss three different plans now. If you are a civil engineering student or an architecture student, then you can also be benefited. If you are a civil engineer or an architect and working as a professional, then again you can get ideas from this. Yeah, for the students, there is a basic thing that I have included in this video. Today, I'm also going to show you how to check out the dimensions in the AutoCAD and how you can take the dimensions of a different plans even if it is not your project. Okay, so I am going to discuss all these things in today's session, and I'm just going to share my screen and start today's session. Okay. So guys, before I can just jump to the plan, I would like to thank you for helping me to reach 200 plus subscribers over here. But my videos are not getting that much reach. So guys, if you are liking the session, then hit the like button and share it with your friends so that it can reach to more and more people over here. And if you are new to the channel of Civil Raja, then please subscribe it because it will help me to grow and spread my knowledge throughout each and every student that is out there who needs the help. Okay, now here is our today's first plan, and this is your first floor plan over here as it is mentioned over here, and you can see the direction is also highlighted. So in none of the plans that I have discussed on my channel of Civil Raja, I have not discussed any plan with the direction, but in this plan, yeah, this has improved and now the direction is also included over here. Now you can see what are the other things that you can notice. You can also see the dimensions of the room, so you can definitely take the ideas from here. Now, since it is a first floor plan, so I will study it from the staircase and not from the entrance, because if it would have been a ground floor plan, I would have studied it from the entrance. And if you are watching my previous videos, then you know how to do that. If you haven't watched that, then you can just go to the channel of Civil Raja, and over there you can watch a lot of videos and you can see uh, there are so many things that I have discussed over here in various videos. Okay, now we will start from the staircase. So we will reach to the first floor through these stairs, and you can see this is a open well stair, and you can also call it as a quarter turn stair. But architectural point of view, from the architectural point of view, it is a open well stair, and you can see there is a cross sign over here. So obviously it is a open space, or you can say open to the sky space. Okay, so this is usually provided to like for the ventilation and everything. Okay, now you can see we will directly enter to the dining or the living area, but on this floor we don't have any kitchen, so you can just use it as the living area, which is having a quite a big space over there, which is 18 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 4 inches. Obviously, since it is open space, you can provide a railing over here. Okay, now you can see we have the bedroom in the front. Then this bedroom is also opening to the balcony, so you can say that this is a like a bedroom with the balcony. Then we have another bedroom which is again opening to the same balcony over here, so you can just say all the bedrooms are getting the like ventilation from the balcony, and they are also getting the balcony along with it. Okay, so this is a like a good thing over here. And while studying the plan, I also mentioned what are the good and the bad things in the plan. So basically, this is a quite a good idea if you are providing the balcony like this. Now, this bedroom is also a master bedroom because the toilet is attached over here, and this toilet is getting the ventilation from this sit out area. Now, this sit out area is also quite spacious, which is 7 feet 10 inches by 16 feet. Okay, now you can see this bedroom is again the master bedroom, and this is getting the ventilation from here. And you can see this is the duct area. It is not mentioned over here, but you can understand that this is the duct area, or you can say the open space area, which is giving the ventilation to this bedroom, this toilet, and this living area. Okay, now this is again a master bedroom over here, and this master bedroom is also having a dressing area of 5 feet 6 inches, 5 feet by 6 feet. Okay, then a toilet area of 8 feet by 6 feet. So this is the biggest toilet space, which is also including the dressing space over here. Okay, now you can see over here we have the open terrace. So you can see on the first floor we have a three master bedrooms over here, and a lot of open space, or you can say the open area, or the terrace area is there. Okay, so you can get the balcony, you can get the open terrace, so a lot of things are over here, and I will rate this plan as 8 out of 10 plan, because the space is like quite used in a very uh, like uh, creative way. And the best thing over here is that we have a balcony with a curved design over here. Now this curved design is also giving the aesthetic view to this building, so this is also a good point in this one. Okay, now we will also look at the elevation of the same plan, and let's see how the elevation will look like over here. So you can see this is our elevation of that building. Okay, so let's see, the design of the elevation is quite good, and over here this particular design is very good over here. You can also take a screenshot and analyze this whole elevation over here. I will not involve a lot of time over here, because the study of the plan is the main purpose of this whole class. Now guys, if you want to learn all these things, all the concepts of the planning, then you can also join our master class, where we will guide you over how to plan a building and how to draft the same thing in the AutoCAD. If I will talk a little bit about it, then you can see we will start this 10 days schedule in the following manner. Like first of all, we will introduce you to the class, and if you have want to get the introduction or the demo session of the same, then you can just visit the YouTube channel of the Civil Raja, and over there you will see that there is a demo session. So this is the day one, and it is the live session on the building planning class. So you can get the introduction class from here also. Okay, now the second thing is about the client dealing. How to deal with the clients will be explained over here. Then we will talk about the different building components, how to take the vastu into the consideration, how to make the conceptual planning, that is the rough planning over here, how to work with the AutoCAD, and for that what are the different tools that we need, like the line command is there, the stretch command is there, the extend, the trim, and what are the other commands that are required to make a plan. Then we will also learn how to draft a plan quickly into the AutoCAD. Okay, then we will also discuss about how to do the furniture layout of a 2D plan. So this plan is not a furniture layout plan, but our last plan that we will discuss today, which is this one. Okay, this is a furniture layout plan, so we will discuss about this one also. Okay, so we will learn how to make a furniture layout like this one. Okay, then you can see this is a drafted plan. Okay, so completely drafted plan is this one. So we will also include all these things into our class. Then you can see we will learn about how to position the columns and how to make the center line diagram. So everything will be discussed in the class in detail. Okay, so all the sessions will be on Zoom, and that will be live. Okay, and also the class recordings will be given to you. Now we will move to the next plan, because the time is limited with us. Okay, and I will explain the rest of the things in just a minute. Okay, what are the different things, or what are the different benefits that you are getting with the class? We will discuss that. Now here we have a ground floor plan, so that is different from the previous one, but here is the alternative of the previous one. Okay, so you can see that this is the ground floor plan, and over here it is again a open well staircase. But before that we have the porch area where we can park the vehicles, and then we can just get the veranda, which is 5 feet 9 inches wide, and then we have the lawn area, which is again 7 feet 9 inches wide, and that is quite spacious for us. Then we have the entrance from here. Then you can just enter to the drawing room, or you can say the hall. Then from this hall you can go to the dining area. Now inside the building there is also the opening for the staircase, and that is also a quite a good approach. There are different clients, some of may rent the house of for different floors. Okay, some may rent out the ground floor, some may want to rent out the first floor, some may want to rent out the second floor or the third floor, or whatever the additional floors they have. So normally they put the staircase outside the building, but if there is a owner and he want to use the whole space as a owner, like the all the floors he want to use by himself for the residents of the building, then they normally prefer the staircase that is opening inside the building, and that is the case over here. Okay, so you can see over here we have the dining area and or living area, and then through this area we are also getting the passage for the staircase. So this is quite a good approach, and I personally prefer this one. Okay, now you can see we have a bedroom over here, and this bedroom is getting the ventilation from the lawn. Then we also have the toilet, which is also a common toilet. It is not included in the bedroom, so it will be called as just the bedroom and not the master bedroom. Okay, then on the left we have the kitchen, and you can see the kitchen is just beside the dining area. So this is also a good approach when you are planning a home. Okay, so you all always have to like place the kitchen just beside the dining area, and if the dining area is somewhere in the center of the building, then it is also giving passage to the whole rooms that are over here. So this is quite a good approach of how to plan a building. Okay, now you can see on the left we have a master bedroom because the toilet is attached over here, and then we have the wash area that is also included over here. On the right we again have a master bedroom, but the wash area is not open to this one, just a window is provided over here for the ventilation. Okay, so that is not a issue. Then you can see this is a 3 BHK house, and this is a ground floor plan, and the dimension of the whole built up area is 30 feet by 50 feet that you can see over here. So there is a difference between the built up area and the plot area. So everything will be explained in detail in the class itself. But if you want to just learn from the YouTube videos, then even that is a good choice for you. But if you want to get the professional training, you can join our classes. How to join our classes, I will just tell all these things in a while. But before that, I will also show you the class notes that I have prepared in my last batch. Okay, now we will just talk about the open area. So we have this open wash area over here, and you can get the ventilation for these two toilets and these two bedrooms from here. And then for the kitchen, this is quite spacious over here. Now you can see we have this wash area, or you can say the open area also. Then this toilet is getting the ventilation from there, and everything, the part of the house is well ventilated. So there is no need to provide any window on the external walls over here. Yeah, in just in the front we need to provide the window for this bedroom and this drawing area, or you can say the hall. Okay, so I guess everything is clear so far in this particular plan. Now we will look at the elevation of this one. So this is quite a simple but the modern elevation over here, and I will not say that I am liking this very much, but yeah, it is quite a good approach. Yeah, but this could have been better. Now it's time to take a look on the class notes that I have prepared during the last batch. So you can see over here, this is a building planning using AutoCAD, and as I have discussed in like a few minutes back in during the course content, I have covered each and everything, like how to deal with the clients, so how to take the requirements from the clients. Everything has been discussed in detail in the class. You can say this was the requirement list. Then we have talked about the building component area, like what are the different components of the building, how to calculate the percentage of the room for a particular building, how to decide like how much the area will be needed by any particular room, like the bedroom or the dining area or the toilet. Like this is the guest room over here. So how to discuss decide how much space I have to provide, that will be discussed in the class. Then there are the various types of the staircase that we can provide in a residential building. Yeah, that class will be definitely stick to the planning of the residential building. Okay, now if you are someone who is willing to uh, like uh, help me out with you with the plan, then the that is also available. So if you are someone who is a client, then you can also connect us. Now how to connect us, that I will say in just a few minutes. Now you can see the vastu consideration has been done. Then there was a lot of things that has been covered in the class and was discussed during the course content portion. Then you can see this is the rough plan, like how to manage the space according to the vastu that has been created through the bubble diagram, and you can see the planning of the staircase is done as well. Then we will learn how to draft the whole thing into the AutoCAD, and you can see everything has been discussed over here. I have also discussed about the door in my previous video, so you can just look at the 1 minute short video. Okay, and over there you will learn how to draft the door in the AutoCAD. And there are a lot of things that you can learn on this Civil Raja channel, so definitely subscribe it. And if you are liking this video, then hit the like button. Again, I said that I will also cover about the furniture layout. So yeah, this is the furniture layout that I have prepared during the class. And then we have positioned the columns over here. Okay, so you can see all the columns has been positioned. And then there was our last topic, which was the center line diagram. And this is how we have like created the center line diagram for the project that was taken into the consideration into the class. Yeah, the base thing about the class. Okay, yeah, that was the best thing about the class. We whenever we are starting a new batch, we are taking up new requirements. So you any of the student that is there in the batch, he can suggest that, okay sir, take a plot like this and take like a mega plan according to this requirement. Okay, so you can just suggest me, because you can see even on the YouTube I'm explaining a lot of things over here. So I will definitely make a plan according to your need into the class, and I will also give you supports after that. So I will discuss about the benefits of joining the class in just few minutes, but let's discuss the third plan of the day, which is the best plan that I have got my hands on today. Okay, so here is the third plan and the elevation of the same. So you can see this is the third plan over here, and the furniture layout has been done beautifully into this plan. And you can see now this is again a ground floor plan, and over here the north direction is like downwards over here. In the first plan it was towards the right. Okay, so according to the need or according to the client requirement, we just make the plans. Okay, so you have to understand all these things also. Now you can see this is the main gate over here, and on the right we have the veranda, then we have the lawn, then on the front we have the porch area, and the passage over here is also there. Then there is an entrance to the house, or you can see, then you can see we have another entrance over here. So this there is basically two entrance in this building. First is through this direction, and this is the dining area, or you can say this is a drawing come dining area. Okay, the dining area is over here, and this is the drawing room over here. Okay, and there is another entrance from here also. Okay, so we will discuss about all these two entrances. Okay, first of all we will start our journey to this building, or you can say this beautiful plan from this door. Okay, so this was the main gate. Then we will just go to the veranda, and from here we will step or to the veranda, and then we will go for the drawing room. And over here we have the sofas and the two center tables are there. Then we have a dining area over here. This is quite a spacious. So dining area, you can say it is 14 feet 7 inches by 8 feet 4 inches, which is quite spacious for a 6-seater dining table. And then we have a toilet. This is also a common toilet, so if you are having some guests, then they can also use this toilet. You can also use this area as the living area. And then we have the bedroom over here, which is getting the ventilation from the front side of the building. Or you can see, then we have this entrance to the kitchen, and this dining area is a little far from the kitchen, like there was in the previous plan. So you can see this was the best position of the dining area according to me, but because of the space constraint, so you can see the dining area is a little bit far from the kitchen over here, which is not a bad thing again. Okay, now you can see on the left, we have a master bedroom, because the toilet is also attached over here, and everything, the kitchen, the toilet, the bedroom, and the another bedroom on master bedroom on the right is getting the ventilation from this wash area. So this is quite a good thing, and this wash area is quite connected with the kitchen. So again, this is the best use of the place. Okay, so according to me, this is a 9 on 10 plan. Okay, and I guess a lot of people will like this plan. There is just this constraint over here, that we have this dining area a little far from the kitchen, but that will not affect much of the plan. And you can see now we will talk about the next door over here. So you can see we have the staircase right from here. So you can just use this entrance also directly to jump into the building. And if you want, then you can also place a door over here or a passage over here. So that is according to your need. Now if you are the resident of the building, then you can use this door to reach out the building. And if you are a guest, then you can just use this door to your drawing area. Okay, so you can allow the guests from here. So that was the plan of the day, and now we will talk about the elevation of the same. So you can see And guys, if you have not liked the video yet and you have came so far, then please do like the video, because if you're not liking the video, you would have been left this video a lot yeah, a few minutes ago. But now that you have reached so far, then hit the like button. And if you think that this is a shareable video, then also share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, because that will help me out to reach out to the maximum people. Okay, now here is the elevation of the plan. And you can see this is kind of a beautiful elevation, and this marble work is there on the front. And normally this is into the trend now. Personally, I don't feel like marble or the tiles should be there, but yeah, there are a lot of clients who like it, and you don't have to like make a plan according to your feeling, because yeah, the client is the god for you. So you have to just make the plan on the elevations according to their need and the requirements, you can say. And so I will just rate the elevation as like 7 on 10. But yeah, the plan is definitely 9 on 10 over here. Now I will just keep coming up with a lot more videos like this. Now I will tell you in a brief way, like how to join this classes. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the benefits that we are getting from these classes. So benefits is, first is, you will get all the sessions as the live sessions, and everything will be on Zoom. Okay, then you will also get access to these class recordings for the lifetime, because I will just allow it for your mail IDs. Then you will also get a personalized WhatsApp group where you can just ask your personalized doubts. Okay, you don't need to call me, you can just simply ask your doubts in the WhatsApp group, and every uh, like I will definitely answer that. Next is, you will also get the support for the next three projects over here. So what are the next three projects? Whatever those next three projects will be, that can be picked by you. Okay, I will also give you some examples, and I will also give you some assignments. But apart from that, you can also bring up your projects, and I will help you out with your personal projects. Then the class notes will be made available to you, so that will be in the form of the PDF. And as I have shown over here, so this is the format of the class note that you will get. And uh, this note has been received by the previous batch. In the similar way, whatever I am teaching into the class, I will just prepare a notes like this, and I will give it to you. Okay, now let's talk about the course fee. The course fee is a 3999, and this is my contact detail. You can take a screenshot. You can mail me at rajababudnr1@gmail.com. I am engineer Om Shiv Raja Babu, as you can see over here. And then you can see uh, the mobile number and the WhatsApp number are same. It is 8433248864. Then our batch is starting on 1st and 15th of every month. So you can simply just give me a call on this number, and you can join in the next batch. Okay, so yeah, that was all for today. I think, yeah, I have also promised you about a simple trick. Okay, that was about the dimension, how you can take out the dimension. So let's take the hardest example that I have right now. So if you want to take out the dimension over here, so you have to simply just go over here, click on the dimension line. And if you want to know the dimension uh, of this area, then you can just click like this. Okay, so why I have chosen from right to left and not left to right? Because I didn't had a point, like a specific point over here, so I went to go for like right to left and not left to right. So this is 30 feet. Now from this particular portion to this particular area. Okay, so this, let's see how much it is. Okay, I'm not getting this dimension. So what will I do? I will simply place it anywhere like here. Okay, then I will draw a simple line. I will simply draw a straight line. So I guess this is the bottommost point over here. Yeah, I will simply draw a straight line. I will turn my ortho on. So this is on. Then I can simply grab the dimension line, and I will bring it till here. Okay, then I can check out the dimension. So it is 52 feet by 2 inches. And how much it is till here? So let's check it again. So till here it is 49 feet 8 inches. So this is how you can just modify and draw the dimensions line over here. Now I can also just move it a little upward. Okay, if it is required, I can simply select it. I can move it like here, because if it is interfering somewhere in the between, then I can simply slide it like that. Okay. So guys, that was all for today's class. And if you have any kind of question, you can simply leave that into the comment section. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button, share this with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Civil Raja, because that's your gateway to future.